In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a report from the report library in HubSpot step by step. If you want to quickly add pre-built reports to your dashboard without building everything from scratch, this is going to save you a lot of time. HubSpot's report library is packed with ready-made templates for marketing, sales, service, and operations, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few minutes to get them up and running. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss the final step where we add the report to your dashboard properly. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple HubSpot training videos just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your HubSpot account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation bar. This is where you'll find all your main tools like contacts, marketing, sales, and reporting. To access the report library, hover over or click on Reporting in the left navigation menu. From the drop-down options, click on Reports. This will take you to your main reports area where you can view any reports you've already created. Now that you're in the Reports section, the next step is to create a new report using a template. In the upper right-hand corner, click on the Create Report button. HubSpot will now show you different ways to build a report. Since we want to use a pre-built template, choose the option for Template Report Library. This is where HubSpot stores all of its ready-made reports that you can use instantly. After selecting Template Report Library, click Next to continue. You'll now see a wide selection of report templates organized by category. These categories may include marketing analytics, sales performance, deal forecasting, customer service metrics, and more, depending on your subscription level. Take a moment to browse or use the search bar at the top if you're looking for something specific. For example, you might search for deal stage performance, email engagement, lifecycle stages, or ticket response time. When you find a report template that fits your needs, click on it to preview the details. HubSpot will usually show you what data the report pulls from and how it's visualized, whether that's a bar chart, line graph, table, or pie chart. Once you're happy with the template you've chosen, click the Use Report or Next button, depending on what your screen shows. This will open the report editor where you can make adjustments if needed. At this stage, you can customize filters, date ranges, and sometimes the visualization style. For example, you might want to change the date range from this month to last quarter, or filter the report to show data for a specific pipeline or team member. You don't have to make changes if the default settings work for you, but it's good practice to quickly review everything to ensure the data matches what you're trying to measure. Once you're satisfied with the report settings, click Save in the top right corner. HubSpot will prompt you to give your report a name. Choose something clear and descriptive so it's easy to find later. After naming your report, you'll have the option to add it to a dashboard. This is an important step because dashboards are where you and your team can quickly view performance metrics in one place. You can either add the report to an existing dashboard or create a new dashboard specifically for this type of data. Select your preferred dashboard, confirm your selection, and then click Save or Add. That's it. You've successfully used a report from the report library in HubSpot and added it to your dashboard. Now you can monitor that data in real time without having to build a custom report from scratch. Using the template report library is one of the fastest ways to start tracking performance in HubSpot, especially if you're new to reporting or just need insights quickly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future HubSpot tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.